single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
My beautiful people, welcome back to Alazaes Beauty. Now, if this is your first time being here, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Alright, today I will be doing the quick swatches of the NORVINA palette. Yes, and pretty soon I will be doing a makeup look. I've just been so crazy busy, you know, this week and stuff. So, but definitely will be coming up with the look and stuff. And don't forget, I will be announcing the winner for my giveaway and stuff pretty soon. Alright, so let's go ahead and do these swatches. Alright, so if you guys have seen the NORVINA palette, and I know a lot of people have done their swatches and stuff, but hey, let me go ahead and do a swatch. That way people know, if in case you're maybe close to my skin tone or just want to look at the shades, bam, I got you. Alright, so obviously the palette. Then you open it, it has the basic mirror like they all do. And then look at these gorgeous colors. Look at that. And I'm not going to lie. I'm telling you guys, the colors are so gorgeous in person. They're just lovely. Alright, so here we go. Let me go ahead and start swatching. So I'll do the first row, which is the shimmers. And then I'll do the mattes next. So first, let's start with Dreamer. So alright, let's see how this one is. Alright, so put it right over here. Alright, so that's Dreamer. Now, don't mind my nails. I'm about to redo them tonight, so, you know, just don't mind the nails. Alright? Alright, so that one is really, really nice. Let's go to the next one. This is called Summer. I love this one. It's like a bronzy look, which I love. So, bam. Look at that. Like a nice bronzy look. I love that. I love it. Next one is Wild Child. Alright. Bam, look at that. Look at that. I don't know, my camera will pick it up really good, but that is like a nice soft pink, and you can intensify it obviously if you like to as well. The next one is called Rose Gold. Alright. Bam. Look at this one. Rose Gold. Alright. I love that one. That is such a pretty, pretty color. Just love it. Love it. Alright, the next one is called Celestial. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but let's go ahead and get it. Now, this is one of the reasons why it made me choose this palette as well, because it has that nice purple. So, alright. Ooh, look at that. Look at that purple. It's like a nice lilac, shimmery champagne color. I'm like, oh my goodness. And just wait till the sun hits it. It's just like, bam, even extra. So, next one is called Dazzling. Alright, alright. Bam. Look at that one. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I love the pigmentation. It is really, really nice. Okay, so the last one is going to be Drama. Drama. So there's like a darker purple look like. So, bam. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Even just these three right here, if you combine them together, oh my god, that would be such a gorgeous look right here. Bam. Alright, so let you guys get a little look, and I'll show you on this one. So these are the colors right here. So I should actually do it this way, so you guys can see. Those are the colors this way. So that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the matte for you guys as well. So let me go ahead and wipe off the axis of the shimmer. So I don't know how this is gonna go. Let me see. Alright. Bam. Ooh, kind of nice actually. If you mix them all together, it'd be like a nice little glow to your skin. I'm not gonna lie. Looks kind of nice. Alright. I'm gonna get too crazy now. Alright, so the next ones will be the mattes. So we're gonna do the mattes, which are these, all the way in the bottom row, right here. And I love that they included, this one's called Eccentric. This one right here. And I feel like this is just a perfect color for fall that's coming. I just love it. That is so gorgeous. And if you just put these two together, boom. That is just a gorgeous look right here. Just bam. Alright, here we go. Alright. Now first one will be base. Alright. Starting the bottom with this one. Right there. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. So you can put that on the brow bone if you like, or on the base. Either or will give you a gorgeous look. Next one will be Soul or Soul. Oh boy. Too early. Alright, here we go. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I like that one. That is like a nice, you know, like lilac color, like lilac slash bluish, like, I don't know. It just reminds me a little bit like the packaging. I don't know, like, it's just gorgeous. Love it, love it. All right, the next one is Incense. All right, I hope I'm pronouncing these right, and now y'all let me know. All right, let me do a little bit more on this one. All right. Okay, that was nice. And it says that could even be a transition color if you like as well. That's not bad. I like that one. All right, the next one is called Love. Aw, that is cute. All right, let's go ahead. All right, that's a nice pink. I like it. I like that one. That is gorgeous. Okay, the next one is called Volatile. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I did graduate high school now, but just don't mind me if I'm pronouncing these wrong. All right. Ooh, this one is nice. Ooh, let me pull a little bit more and see how that one goes. I like that one. That one is nice. That one with the nice, like, muted, you know, lipstick, liquid matte lipstick. That will look bomb with that one. Ooh. Okay, the next one's called Eccentric. That's the one I was telling you guys I like. This will be, I think, perfect for fall. Let me see. Ooh, yes. You can use that as that transition color, you know, like whatever you want. That is gorgeous. I love that. That's a little bit closest to what I'm rocking on the top lid of mine. So that is gorgeous. I like it. All right, last but not least, it's called Passion. Let's see how this one is. Boom. Ooh, boy, now that was really pigmented. All right. So those are the colors for these. Go ahead and show you guys. Bam. That is gorgeous. I like the colors. I'm not gonna lie, the pigmentation is really good on these. I was surprised. Because usually, you know, you have to really rub on some and, you know, like on some palettes or some eyeshadows. But usually, Anastasia is really good for knowing, you know, their pigmentation. But I do admit, I know on some of these, like Anastasia ones, you do have a little fallout. So make sure you just, you know, undust your brush. You know, once you wiggle it in, then undust it a little bit before you apply your shadows. Besides that, you know, you're good to go. So it's really up your prem. If it really bugs you that bad, then you probably will decide not to purchase this palette. But beyond that, I think it's good. Now, I don't know if it's going to give you a big fallout or not. You know, I still got to try it out, check it out and stuff. I had to come up with a good look in this and that. So, but let me show you the shadows again. And don't forget, this one retails for $42. Now, in my opinion, if you like purples, lilacs, you know, like, this is definitely going to be for you. And if you don't have a palette that has a little bit of color and shimmers and mattes, I think this will be perfect right here. Because this is something to start off good. If you are that kind of person, like, you know, you're not really into colors but want to get into colors, this, I think, will be perfect. Because these colors are not, like, boom right in your face. But you could definitely make these work and to intensify it. So I definitely love it, love it. This palette, I'm not going to lie, I love it. It's gorgeous. And I love the sturdiness. I love it comes with a brush, you know. So if you guys have never owned an Anastasia one, they always come with these brushes, which I love. And I love this fluffy brush right here. This is an excellent, right here, this is an excellent, you know, to go ahead and blend your eyeshadows. Because remember, the main key of doing eyeshadows is blending. Definitely blend, blend, blend. Because nobody likes no harsh line, just boom. So, but I hope you guys like my quick little swatches and stuff. I will be coming up with the look pretty soon. So stay tuned for that one and stuff. I just been so busy and I apologize. I'm trying to, you know, finish everything at home because, you know, the kids are going to school soon. So, you know, I'm trying to get them prepared, get them set, get them going. So I can't wait. So, and for anybody starting school, you know, congrats starting school, even if it's kindergarten, high school, middle school, college, you know, whatever you're doing, you know, congratulations and happy first day of school. You know, if I don't get a chance to announce that later on through the you know, weeks, days, whatever, because I've been so busy, but definitely congratulations whoever's going to school, and definitely heads up to moms and dads, because believe me, that's a big accomplishment for us ourselves. So definitely, definitely. So, all right. So don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. And stay tuned for the giveaway, you know, winners. And don't forget, again, you're beautiful no matter what. All right. Bye-bye.
Every single day